If you're wondering how to build a nutrition plan in Practice Better, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create one and provide you with some helpful tips that could save you time and effort. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing a better alternative for those who might want a more efficient solution. And yes, it comes with an exclusive free trial. Let's get started. First, log in to your Practice Better account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create a free trial account, but make sure to stay tuned for an exclusive offer at the end of this video. Once you're logged in, go to the Plans tab located on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find your existing nutrition plans or the option to create a new one. To start building a nutrition plan, click on the New Plan button. Now, you'll be prompted to add a client's details or choose an existing client. Practice Better integrates well with your clients, which makes the process a lot smoother. Next, you'll move to the nutrition plan template. You can start with a blank template, but Practice Better also has pre-made templates that you can use and customize. This is great if you want a head start or if you prefer a structured approach to designing meal plans. You can easily adjust serving sizes, add meals, and tweak macros according to your client's needs. The third thing you'll want to do is add the individual meals. This is where Practice Better shines, allowing you to customize each meal in great detail. You can add food items, portion sizes, and even enter specific recipes with nutritional breakdowns. You can also use the food database to search for common ingredients, making it quicker to fill out a meal. Once you've built the meals, the next thing you'll need to do is set the schedule. Practice Better lets you assign specific meals to each day and time. You can choose a specific start and end date for the plan, or create a rolling plan that automatically updates for a set period. This is particularly useful if you plan to adjust the nutrition plan based on your client's progress. Finally, after all meals and schedules are set, the last step is reviewing the plan and finalizing it. Practice Better makes it easy to go back and make changes if necessary, and when everything looks good, you can send the plan to your client with just a click. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While Practice Better is a solid tool, it might not always be the most flexible or intuitive for every nutritionist or coach. If you're looking for something that gives you more customization, easier client management, and faster meal plan creation, I highly recommend checking out Alternative Software, which offers a more streamlined experience. You'll have access to an extended free trial through our link, and I'm sure you'll appreciate its intuitive interface and additional features. Remember, for those who need Practice Better, you can grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description. And if you want a smoother and more customizable nutrition plan creation process, Alternative Software is also a great option with its own free trial, giving you even more flexibility for your nutrition business. So whether you stick with Practice Better or try something new, you've got some great options, and with these free trials, you can test them out risk-free.